Hi friends, in a previous video we learned the pat index, quote name and a reverse function. In this video we will learn the in a real time scenario how to use this pat index, quote name and a reverse function. Now I'm creating a one table. Okay, so create table TBL employee. This is my table name. Here I'm giving two columns. One is a ID int primary key and the primary key identity. So we learn the coming session what is this primary key, all this. Now second one I'm giving the name is my column name and the data type is varchar of 20 or 30. I'm giving the length. Okay, now run this query, execute. Now I able to create the table. So we'll select this query, select star from TBL employee. Now execute this one. Now I able to create the table ID and name. I want to insert some data in this table. Okay, insert into TBL employee values. So I'm passing some values. Here is a value is Shiva is a name and I will pass some other input values. Okay, Shiva and one more is Narayana and third one is Vasu. Fourth one is Kishore and one more record I'm passing. Vinita is input. Now run these queries. Click on execute. I'm able to inserting this all the data. So it is inserted or not. Execute the select statement. Okay, I able to get the this data. Now I want this table in a real time. One is a pat index. Okay, second one is a quote name. Third one is a reverse. So how to use these three functions in a real time? Okay, and I'm removing these insert queries. Okay, so we know we have a ID column and a name column. Now I want to find the index position. Okay, if I run this one, okay, I want to find the index position of this name column. Wherever in this name column, if I get a yes, I want to know the yes position. I want to know the index position. So how to the I want the first occurrence of the yes character. So we learn the previous video the syntax of a pat index. Now pat index, okay, and here is the my pattern. I'm giving the yes is I want to know the yes occurrence of the and second one is a expression here I'm giving the name is my column as give the alias name of pat index anything we can give it. Okay, anything we can give here. Now second one is a quote name. Okay, quote name is our function. So I want to display this name in a flower bracket. Okay, now give the quote name. Okay, and here is I'm giving a name is our column name and I want to display this name in a flower bracket. Okay, and I'm giving alias name as quote name. Okay, quote name for understanding that is why I'm giving the quote name and then give column and I want this name column in a reverse order. Okay, now I'm giving the function reverse. Okay, this is a predefined function reverse. Now I'm giving the name column as a expression and giving alias name as a reverse. Okay, and put comma here. Now run this select query. Now see first one. Okay, if you observe here, I given a pat index. Now, wherever I get yes, okay, in our column, it will give the first occurrence of the okay index position. Now, if you see here, first Shiva is our column name. S is the first one. That is why it is given a index position is a 1. And if you observe second row, I don't have a character S in this string. That is why it is given a 0. And third row, if you observe here, column name, okay. So Vasu, and in this position, S is in a third position. That is why it is given a index position of 3. And fourth row, I'm giving name is a Kishore. S is in the position of the third. That is why it is given a index position of 3. And fifth one, I given a name is a Vinita. In this string, I don't have a character S. That is why it is given a 0. So the first occurrence, it will give the starting position of 1. If it is don't find that expression in this string, it will give the 0. Okay. Now this is a pat index. And coming to the second one, quote name. So I want to display my column, okay, in this flower bracket. Now I use the quote name as our function. So see, it is displaying a name in between the flower bracket because I used the quote name. And the third one is a reverse function. So it will give the text in a reverse order. Now see Shiva, it will displayed in a reverse position. The second one is a Narayana, it is displayed in a reverse position. Like this in a real time also we have to use this pat index code name reverse functions. In coming session we learn some other topic. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.